Welcome to 360-degree machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Kundig Optiq 2-head 37-inch wide belt sander. If you have questions about pricing, availability, or if you have surplus machinery you'd like to sell, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Also remember that all of our machines are located right here in Naperville, Illinois, and that we do not broker tools to ensure quality. We are also processing anywhere from 40 to 50 additional machines, so check back often as we do not list machines until they have been thoroughly cleaned and checked. This is a Kundig Optiq dual head 37-inch wide belt sander. It is in pretty much the top condition that you can expect a sander to be in. We rank it as a top 5%. What that means is if you were to take 100 machines and find 100 machines like options, make, model, less than 5 of them would be in this condition, and obviously you're not going to find 100 machines like this. So that's how rare it is to find a machine this clean. First of all, we're just going to open the belt side up and you can see it is squeaky clean inside. This machine is almost cleaner inside than it is out. Actually, I would pretty much say it is cleaner inside than it is out. Those of you not familiar with Kundig, basically your table has a stationary height. So your table, your conveyor does not raise and lower. Instead, the machine raises and lowers off of that conveyor. So basically you have this huge, heavy tube steel frame. And as you can tell, this whole green component here basically lifts up and down. Currently it is opened up to 8.31 inches. So you can get a little over 8 inches of height, 37-inch width. We did dress that conveyor. The conveyor does not have a single blemish on it. To turn it on, you simply have to flick this forward, and then you can also adjust that speed. If you take a look, it's just what you'd expect. Extremely low use machine. Again, we dressed it just to double check that there were no vellies, and on this feed mat, there's not a blemish, a nick, a scratch, no dry rot. If you come up under here, you do have your calibrating unit right here. Basically, if you slide your material into your opening here and you close it on that material, it's going to hit the stop and it's going to self-calibrate itself. Go in here and just lower it and just show you that it does lower and function the way it should. Your first head is a steel drum, 6 1/4 inches. Your second is a helical grooved rubber, 6 1/4 inches with a 3-inch air bladder platen. We did dress that rear drum for the first time, and again, that took about 5 minutes because there was no nicks or blemishes in it to begin with. But we always like to dress them just to verify that. As you can see, you've got really, really deep grooves in there. I mean, again, it's pretty much just like a new sander. I mean, it has really, really low use. We do have your leg levelers, manuals, and again, as you can see, it is just extremely clean. We do have the panels off this machine so you can see the inside of this machine. 1 horsepower on that feed. And again, if you just look, this machine is just ultra, ultra clean. I mean, this is really the way you want to find them. We do have your safety. As you can see if you watch that brake light. It's a magnetic switch, so we just put a magnet over it. We're going to start those heads real fast. Soft start on both heads. Both your brakes function as they should. And that first head does have a 20 horsepower motor. The second is a 15, and it's pulling about 95 amps at 230 volts. Again, a really fine example of a Kundig Optiq. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.